Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset and restore a Dell Inspiron 5000 series to factory settings on your Windows 10 running device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys today, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on it one time, and you want to type in reset. Best match should say reset this PC right above system settings. You want to just left click on that one time to open up this new window. Now underneath recovery, if your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose to keep your personal files or remove them, and then reinstalls Windows. Left click on get started. Now we have two options here, either keep my files or remove everything. Keep my files says removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And remove everything is pretty much how it sounds. Remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. First option, even though it says keep my files, depending on where you keep your documents and pictures, it might still remove them as well. So I would highly recommend making a backup to an external media device, no matter what option you choose to do. So just keep that in mind. I'm not exactly sure which option I clicked. I just want to go back to this screen again. So underneath choose an option. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to do a complete clean factory reset. Then you will be prompted if you want to clean the drives too. If you remove just my files, this is quicker but less secure. Remove files and clean the drive. It's more so if you're going to be donating it or giving it to somebody else. Most people, just removing my files will be sufficient, so that's the option I will select. And then our final confirmation here will be to reset this PC. Resetting will remove all the personal files and user accounts in this PC, apps and programs, as well as any changes made to settings. This will take a while and your PC will restart. Left click on reset here. This process will begin. Give it some time, and I'll be back once we get to another prompt. Okay, so at this point you're going to enter in some information. You're going to enter your country, preferred language, keyboard layout, and what time zone you're in. And then once you've checked all of that, you're going to select next. It'll begin applying these settings. You're going to have to accept the end user license agreement. You can use express settings to instantly get back and speed up the process a little bit, or you can click on customize right here. It should be the middle button, and you can customize what you're exactly installing when you're resetting Windows 10. So if you want to disable sending input data to Microsoft, you can deselect that by clicking inside of these horizontal boxes, and you can go through and check them out on your own, but I'm going to keep most of them default how they are, and I'm going to select next here. I'm going to select next again, and you guys are more than welcome to go check through and see exactly what you are agreeing to. I'm just trying to speed this video up a little bit. Okay, so at this point you have the option to enter in your Microsoft account credentials if you were previously using a Microsoft account to use your account. You could also create a new Microsoft account, or you could skip this step and create a local account on your computer, which what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to do a quick little example for you guys. I am not going to enable Cortana, so I'm going to select not now. And there we go. We can see we are logging into Windows, and it should be a fresh install of Windows we are logging into right now. Okay, so we actually have an update waiting, but I'm not going to select that, so I'm going to do not now, bottom left. Alright everybody, I'm back. So our Dell Inspiron computer has been restored back to factory settings at this point. So at this point, if you wanted to go and reacquire any programs you had to remove in the factory reset process, you're more than welcome to. I would suggest also creating a backup or system restore point after you're done getting your computer set up the way you like, just so you have a recovery point. It's always a good suggestion. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.